Welcome to my channel. You're probably here because you want to learn how to make a stylus pen. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to make a stylus pen without coating, water or foil. A stylus pen is a device used for drawing or writing on a digital screen. There are two main types of stylus pens: active stylus pens and passive or capacitive stylus pens. Active stylus pens usually have pointier nibs, pressure sensitivity, and are more accurate, but they don't work on all devices. You can't use a Samsung S Pen on an Apple iPad, and you can't also use an Apple Pencil on a Xiaomi phone. Capacitive or passive stylus pens. These work on most devices, don't have pressure sensitivity, have larger nibs, less accurate, but are still far better than using your fingers for drawing. In this tutorial, we will learn how to make a capacitive stylus pen. So we need a touchscreen device, a working one. Haha, more like it. Oof. Then some earpiece. I think I'm going to take off the red one because I'm still using it. Yeah. So I'll use the white and wire, then a tape and a pen body, an empty pen body. So I'll just dot that. Then a screw. Ooh, it's so tiny. And most importantly, snacks. Okay, let's go down to business. So I'll get my earpiece. Not okay, let me try the other side. Yeah. So I'm gonna disconnect that speaker. It's a little speaker in the earpiece. So I'll disconnect it, and I'm trying to get that little magnet. This little tiny magnets inside that metal. It's gonna be challenging, so if you could get an adult to help you. So I'm using the plier and I'll just smash it. Then it comes out on its own. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. So I'll get my screw and I'll place the magnets on it. Yeah. It attracts. So now we need our pen body. Then I'll screw that in like that. Yeah, that looks good. It's looking like a stylus pen. So I'll get my wire and I'll use the scissors to try to cut it. So if you're a kid, get an adult to help you. So now I would pull out a strand of wire like that. Nice. So we're going to twist the wire on the screw like that. Then we wrap the wire around the body so it can transfer current from your fingers to the tip. Now we get a piece of tape and we wrap the tip of the stylus so it doesn't scratch your phone while drawing or writing. Now we use this stuff. It's usually found in bakeries, used to wrap bakeries. So you use it to hold the tape in place, like that. We twist it around and round and round and round and round. I guess I'll stop here. And here you have your DIY capacitive stylus pen. Ta-da!